What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add PayPal payments to Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick. So the first thing you need to do guys is to you need to have a business account on PayPal, because most people have personal account and Shopify will not let you guys to add PayPal if you don't have a business account. So the first thing you need to do guys is to convert or to turn a personal account to business account, okay, on PayPal. So after you have a business account on PayPal, what you need to do guys next is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, then you want to click on payments, okay. So by default I can see here PayPal, but for you, if you don't see here PayPal, as you can see it's state inactive, okay. So because it's asking me guys to activate PayPal, but if you don't see here PayPal, you want to click on add payment methods, click on search by provider, and you want to search here for PayPal, okay. Now for me I already have it, okay. Let me just go back and I'm going to show you guys how you can activate it. Now after you add here PayPal, like for me by default it's PayPal, so for you I don't know guys. So if you don't find here PayPal, you will just want to search for it. You want to click on activate PayPal, and you need to click on activate PayPal Express checkout. And like I said guys, you need to turn your own PayPal from personal to business account. Okay, I'm just going to add the code here because PayPal is asking me guys for the code. It's 030990. all right, now as you can see here guys, it says here you need a business account to accept payments on Shopify. So you need to click on convert. If you have a personal account, you need to click on convert your personal to business, or you can just create a new business account, okay. But for now I don't want guys to convert this PayPal account because I have other Shopify stores that are linked to PayPal, but for this one I don't want to turn it to a business account. But for you just need to click on next, and you just want to follow the steps. You just need to add your address, stuff like that. It's very simple steps guys, and that's it. So after that you will find here, instead of inactive, you will find that it's active, and then you can start then receiving payments with PayPal. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next.